Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss very important aspect for English. It is common errors in English. Actually, the errors can be in verb, they can be in noun, they can be in adjectives, they can be in tense. Different errors are there. So let us begin with the first error, that is related to verb agreement error. Here is a sentence: Delhi and Kolkata has very hot weather. So here you see the subject is constituted of Delhi and Kolkata, and the verb use has been has. So instead of has, we should have verb as has, have. Because Delhi and Kolkata together constitute plural subject. So verb must always be in agreement with the subject. So we come to the another error now. The sentence is, my friends and my life is coming this Friday. So here, my friends and my life, this is one idea. So it is going to have singular subverb. So we see that here is coming. For singular subjects, we can have is, was, has. For plural subject, we must have, were as helping verb. So now we go to the next sentence. Everyone thought that the circle made by Rahul was most round. It is an error of adjective. There are different degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. We use positive degree when we simply state a fact. We use comparative degree when we make comparison between two persons, and superlative degree we use when we compare between three or more things. So here the error is that different adjectives, they have no degree of comparison. So here also we see the adjective is, they have used the word most. So we should not use most here, because adjectives like round, unique, chief, they don't have degree of variation. So we should cut most here. Now we go to the another sentence. Sachin is the best cricketer of the two. Here two persons are discussed and the degree has been used best, which is superlative degree. So this again is wrong. So we should have Sachin is better cricketer of the two. We cannot use superlative degree for two. Okay, let us go for the error in preposition. The sentence is, summer is good for umpiring. So good at umpiring is correct one. So this preposition for, it has to be replaced by at. Actually in preposition we have three types of errors. If the preposition is there, it has to be removed. If there is no preposition, we have to put a preposition, and in the third case, if the preposition is wrong, we must replace it with another preposition, which is the appropriate and correct one. So we moved to the next sentence. Your resume will be ready after an hour. So here after is after an hour. So n, so after is the wrong preposition. So it should be replaced ready in an hour. So we should use in. in an hour. Next sentence comes, honesty is our best policy. Here also we have an error of article. Actually, the should come. A is indefinite article, so the should replace it. So you have seen we had errors in the verb agreement, we have errors in the prepositions, we have errors in adjectives, and we have error in article. So you have to look where the error may be. So from different perspective you should look at the sentence. So now we have more sentences. Let us read the sentence. The coach and mentor of the team blamed themselves for the defeat. Actually, in this sentence, the coach and the mentor, he is the same person. He is a single person. So it should not be followed by plural pronoun. So the error lies here. So themselves should be replaced by himself. The next sentence. It took me an hour to complete the assignment. So here we have the error of article. A, actually here R, it is a sound of vowel. So A should be replaced by N. So it took me an hour to complete the assignment. The we use for particular things, whereas and we use where either a word beginning with vowel is there or the sound of vowel is there. Next sentence. None of the students in the class scored below the given cutoff marks. So here none is negative. So we should not have the word here student. Actually, it should be replaced by students. So the student word should be in plural. So none of the students in the class scored below the given cutoff. Not even one, that is none. So we have to use here plural subject. We come to the next sentence. Ashok is among the few people in the world which did not blindly follow the path of others. So here we have the error of relative pronoun. So instead of which, we should go for the relative pronoun who. Here it stands for the person. So we should use Ashoka is among the few people in the world who did not blindly follow the path of others. Next sentence is the government is aiming at a 50% reduction in unemployment. The government is aiming. So it should not is aiming. The government aimed at. This is the correct use of the preposition. So we have to be careful in this aspect. Beside this, we can go for the difference of few, a few, the few. Let us see what are the difference between these few, a few, the few. First of all, few stands for number. First thing is few is used for negative. For example, no student has come. So we will say few students come. It means not even one has come. As far as a few is concerned, we use it for positive. A few student has come means some student has come. So it has to be used for positive only. As far as the few is concerned, all that there is. There are not many students, but all that there is. So there we use the few. Similarly, there can be a difference between little, a little, the little. Little is used for quantity. So similarly, little means negative. If you have not eaten anything, you can say I have eaten little. It means not at all. Then a little comes for positive. If you have taken some food, you can say I have eaten a little. The little. All that there is. Much was not left, but all that there was, you have eaten that. So I have eaten the little that was left there. So today we have discussed some of the errors which have come in the last few years. Errors in agreement of the verb, errors in adjective, errors in tenses, errors in preposition, errors in conjunction. So we will take more errors in the coming classes. Thank you very much. हाँ, उसके बाद नहीं फिलहाल हो गया ऑफ